Our today's lesson is about particles. In Japanese language study, particles plays very important role and today we are going to learn the particle they. Different particles are available and every particle is having different meaning and sometimes some particles is having we use some particles with the different ways also. So today we are going to learn about the particle they. Number of uses are there. So first use of this particle is as a mode of transportation. We use this particle as a mode of transportation with the vehicle, means bus, train, bicycle, car, any automobile. We use they particle. Means I goes to school by bus, I goes to office, I go to office by train. So for bus, for train, we use this they particle as mode of transportation. Let us see some of the examples. John-san wa basu de gakko e ikimasu. John-san, Mr. John goes to school by bus. So here bus is the transportation and de particle is used as a mode of transportation. Watashi wa jitensha de supa e ikimasu. Here jitensha is the vehicle and we use they as a by mode of transportation. I go to supermarket by bicycle. Okay. Here one is the exceptional reading. Tanaka-san wa aruite uchie kairimashita. Tanaka-san, Mr. Tanaka returns home by walk. So for arukimasu, it is the verb. We do not use they particle as a mode of transportation. We convert this arukimasu into they form of the arukimasu. So I have done here the star mark because it is the exceptional reading. Okay. So we learned the first use of particle they, that is mode of transportation. Let us move to the next use of the particle they. Here I texted here by using. By using something, I make something. Let us see. Nihonjin wa hashi de gohan o tabemasu. Meaning of this is Japanese people eat the food by using chopsticks. So by using. Hashi is the chopsticks and they particle shows by using. So they particle here is by using. Nihonjin wa hashi de gohan o tabemasu. Let us move to the next example. Kami de hikoki o tsukurimasu. Here kami is paper. Of course it is a origami wala kami. Okay, origami aeroplane for playing. So kami de hikoki o tsukurimasu. Aeroplane is made by paper. Okay, for playing the children. The third one. Tamago to gyunyu de keki o tsukurimasu. Cake is prepared by using eggs and cow milk. Okay, so these are the ingredients we use to prepare the cake. So the second use of they particle is by using. Okay, I hope you understood. And let us move to the next use of particle they. Here particle they is used as a medium. As a medium. In which medium? In which language I talk. I write the letter in English language or Japanese language. So to show that we use this particle they. Watashi wa nihongo de tegami o kakimasu. I write letter in Japanese language. So here I have taken the polite form of the verb kakimasu, means I write. If I take kakemas, that shows the Potential form, it shows the potentiality. We can use khakemasu also, but as for N5 I am explaining for N5, so potential form is not introduced for N5. So we will take a plain form. Watashi wa Nihongo de tegami o kakimasu. I write a letter in Japanese language. John-san wa eigo de reporto o kakimasu. John-san, Mr. John, write a report in English language. Okay, eigo, go shows the language. So we saw the third use of the particle de as a medium. Okay, let us move to the next use of particle de. Fourth use of particle de is place of action. Let us see. When the sentence ends with the action verb, to show the place of action we use particle de. Haha wa hana ya de hana o kaimashita. My mother bought flowers at flower shop. So at is the place of action. So here the de particle is, meaning of this de particle is at. Okay, coming to the second one, eki de tomodachi ni aimashita. I met my friend at station. So at station is eki de. De particle shows here place of action. When the sentence ends with action verb, then we use de particle as a place of action. Because for place of action we use one more particle also, okay, that I will introduce afterwards. Third, coming on the third one, Maiasa kono kissaten de asagohan o tabemasu. As this is a routine action, the sentence ends with the mas form of the verb. Every morning I eat my breakfast at this cafe. Okay, this is the regular action, so it ends with mas form. So at this cafe, at shows the kissaten. Kissaten means cafe. So this is the next use of particle de. Let us see some more uses of this particle de. Watashi wa eki de shinbun o kaimashita. I bought newspaper at the station. So here kaimasu is the action verb. So we took particle de with the place to show the place of action at the station. We can use this de particle with the interrogative of the place also. That is, interrogative is doko desu ne. Doko. Doko de kono pen o kaimashita ka? From where you bought this pen? So doko de also we can use for the interrogative of the place of action. I hope you understood this. Today I covered the only one particle, that is de particle, and I hope you liked this, you understood this. So in the next video I will introduce you the other particles. We will stop here. Kore de owarimasho. Thank you very much.